Hi, I'm Craig Wiggins. I'm the founder of Craig Wiggins Coaching and Consulting. Our goal is to help agency owners scale, help them grow and take advantage of this amazing opportunity in this business. And you know, the most important part of your agency is typically going to be your staff. They're the ones that are going to make it or break it for you. And we want to help you with that. I learned years ago that's exactly what we need to do to be successful. So we provide a lot of different ways to make that happen. We've got an online portal where they can watch videos every day, give them all the tools and the confidence they need to be successful. They can work with one of our coaches. They can work with them one-on-one twice a month and teach them what they need to learn, whether it's a scripts, a talk pass, how to overcome objections. Maybe they want to attend one of our workshops or our live events. Whatever it is you're looking for, whatever way you want us to interact with your team, we can do that. We have all the resources to make them more successful, make them more competitive, be able to actually go out and compete when rates are high, like right now, right? A ton of rate increases. We can help you with these things. So if you're interested in learning more, if you want to know what to do to be successful, you want to give them the tools that they need, go check us out online, craigwigginscoaching.com, or drop a comment down below.